All right, I'm always talking about consistency here on the standard work. My computer gave me a little bit of issue, so pulling, let's see, December 23rd, 24th, Christmas Day video off of my GoPro was a little bit problematic. That doesn't mean that I don't run. I'm still running, still consistent. I've mentioned this before. If you don't document it, you don't record it, it doesn't mean it didn't happen. The most important thing is it's happening for you. This nice trail run, just easy, steady. That's what it's all about.